it's your girl T Beauty, and of course I am back with another makeup tutorial. As you can see in these clips, I did a very soft glam eyeshadow look for you guys. I hope you like this one and will stick around and watch the full tutorial. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and of course subscribe. So to start things off, I already have my foundation and everything done already just to save on some time. I will be going in with my eyeshadow base. Of course, you know I love Painterly Paint Pot by MAC, so I'm just going all over my eyelid up to my brow bone with that and making sure that I blend it out completely. Next, I just lightly dust my eyes with a translucent setting powder just to set that base, making sure that it doesn't move. Then I will be going in with my first eyeshadow, Cha Cha, and that is from the ColourPop All That palette. And of course, I'm just adding that to my crease, lightly blending it out, making sure that it is diffused. And I also like to build up the color as I go along. Ooh, look how pretty that looks, girl. Now I'm going in with my second shade, and that will be my lid color. So that lid color called Come Through is a very light mauve-y pink, and it has a little bit of shimmer reflex in it. It is absolutely beautiful and just the perfect shade for a more soft glam look. So I'm just adding that all over my eyelid, then taking Sienna and adding that to my outer V and the outer crease of my eyes, and just blending that slightly inward. I really like this color combo. Let me know in the comments what you think of this. So I'm just blending that out, really taking my time, and also elongating my eye with that. I bring it out slightly past my outer V. I really like how this looks, especially on hooded eyes. Yeah, so in most of my tutorials you will see me bring my outer V color, my deeper shade, slightly past my natural eye shape. And going back into my ColourPop palette using Cha Cha, just re-adding that to my crease to really help blend out that sienna shade that we added. And of course, we are going back in with a warmer brown shade. That is just a personal preference, but I think for skin tones like mine, it really does help complement whatever eye look I'm doing. So yeah, I believe that was a Soda Pop shade that I'm using, and I'm just blending that again over the crease shade that I just placed. And now going back in with my lid color just to intensify it a little bit more and really blend it. If you notice, I'm using a fluffier blending brush. And of course, now we will be going in with our brow bone highlight shade. I'm using the color BB Girl, which is like that lighter pink, to highlight my brow bone. Then taking that deep cool tone brown shade from the ABH palette. I will be lining my eyes with that. This trick is the easiest way to really soften any eyeshadow look you're doing, and I think this is kind of the key to like that soft glam look. So I'm just using a really fine detail eyeshadow brush to create my wing, and of course building up that color as I go along. Once that is complete, I'm just dusting off the excess powder that I had on my under eyes, and of course I had a little bit of fallout too, so I'm just cleaning up that just a little bit. Then I will be tight lining with a gel eyeliner, and I will also be adding that to my under eyes. Next we have our lash application. I'm just using the same wispy lash that I absolutely love from Ardell, and going back in with my brown eyeshadow just to really make sure that everything is nice and neat and smooth. Now for my inner tear duct, I'm going in with that really nice sparkly shimmering pink shade, also with my really detailed liner brush. That is my favorite brush to use, as you can tell from these videos. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing there. Then going back in with that shade Sienna and adding that to my lower lash line. Doing this really pulls the look together, okay? Do not, I repeat, do not forget this step. And once that is done, I just dust away any fallout and add my highlighter. And for the lips, I'm keeping it very simple, so I'm just using my ColourPop cool tone brown lip liner just to line and fill in my lips just a little bit, and of course blending that together. Now I'm using a gloss. This one's the Butter Gloss from NYX. It's a really nice peachy pink shade that I think is really complementary to the look. And going back to the eyes, I'm adding just a little bit of glitter. And that one was a liquid glitter that I got from Sephora, and I think it was part of their holiday collection last year. You might still be able to find it this year, but yeah, that's what I'm doing. And of course I'm just placing that on like the inner portion of my eye and up to the middle. And okay, gorgeous people, that is the finished look. This look is super killing it for the holiday season, of course, just like my previous video. The pink, the soft glam, the diffused liner is just giving me absolutely everything. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.